In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily add an interactive element to your scrapbook page and hide your journaling or a special picture with no more than washi tape and a few scrapbook elements. So scrap along with me. If we just met, my name is Monia and I'm owner of Digidesign Resort, and I'm doing this now for 12 long years. Scrapbooking has been for me an amazing journey because I met people from all over the world. And it's not just about memory preserving, but also about that community. And that is why I'm showing you different kind of layouts and helping you to preserve your beautiful memories. For this scrapbooking layout and the entire mini book collection, I'm using the It's a Boy's World scrapbooking kit. But don't worry, you don't have to resize all the elements and papers. You will find a link below this video, and I have already done all that for you, so you can start right away. So before we get started, please subscribe to our channel, click the little bell so you're notified whenever I post a new video, and hit the like button. And now let's get started with the scrapbooking. Okay, I put together a second layer, and I put it together already, not on the camera, because I wanted to add some interactive elements, and I'm going to show you in a minute what I mean. But for that I needed to place the layer somehow. I didn't really know how I wanted to do it. So what I picked now are pictures from Chrissy when he first came home. So that was a day when we picked him up and put him in the box and brought home. I thought that is worth documenting as well. You see, it has no chronological order. It is more lots of glimpses of memories, but you can do it in the right order as well, of course. But for me, that's just fine, because each page has its own story, and that is what scrapbooking is all about. The pages need to have stories, and the best thing is to put it all together in a book, so you have it all together. So what I did now, I got some black washi tape, because I thought black fits to the rest here. The cat, who is black, and here the stripes, which are nearly black. So I thought I could go with that. And what I do now is I put a picture here, this picture on the ground, and then I put this one with a washi tape here with a stripe next to it. And then you can flip it on and off, so you have a little bit to watch, to go deeper into the page, to find out the story of the page. And maybe later, one day, when you look at these pictures and at the stories which are written, which are included, you remember, oh yes, that happened, and you may remember more details and such, and that is what it's for. And then when you have an interactive element, you can flip it over and you see, oh my god, yes, there is more, there's more to discover. I want people to discover the book, to really feel the memories. It's not just about viewing them, it's about reading, seeing the pictures, and feeling. It's about getting several emotions when you look at your scrapbooking. And that, for me at least, is what scrapbooking is about. It's about getting back to the memories and really feeling what you have already lived. So it's always a good idea, in my eyes, to add some more elements to make it even more funnier, to go back and check out these pages. So we start with that little picture. Chrissy just arrived. He got a little toy. So, and that is what he's usually sleeping with. So that's why this picture goes under it. He came home and he had a friend, a little friend at least, before he got the dog and the other cat as a friend. He had that little friend. So that is why I put this picture. I'm going to place it now on my scrapbook. So here's a washi. Just going to add a little piece. So you see, here you go. Just flip it over and you have more to look. Maybe I can cut it a bit so it's easier. Okay, so you see that works. And now we are going to add that one. We need to be sure that we just have glue on that area here, otherwise it would you couldn't pull it up anymore. Okay, don't press it. So I'm going to do the same here. Just pull that off a bit. Okay, so now I want to move that and have that under it so I can write something on here. And for that I have a white Sharpie. I will move it over here. No. Okay, last but not least, we need some more flowers here and maybe something here, so you can still pull that over. Yeah, it would be nicer to have that just on the picture, on the image. Oh, okay, so now the flowers and that's it. Okay, I think that's my layout for the right side. I might add some stamps here just to have something accordingly to the right, on the right side I have on the left, and then I guess I'm done. Okay, you see what happened. For whatever reason the stamp didn't work. I even tried to stamp all over, but it still didn't work, so I need to cover that now somehow. And yeah, so it's not that obvious here. Actually, it can completely go when I glue something over it. And that is what I plan to do now. So I really wanted to make it perfect. And you see, that happens if you want to go that route. You better leave it open and don't do anything with it. Okay, that's it. My layout is done. I have interactive elements here. The second one is better because the picture is under it. I could even place one more picture under it. Maybe that would look nice. Yeah, you see that little guy, whether he was sleeping or he is sleeping or he is eating or he is turning whatever he can into chaos. So he has several jobs to accomplish each day, and one of them definitely is driving us crazy, but he's such a sweet guy, you cannot be mad at him for a very long time. Okay, I'll leave it as it is. I don't want to mess it up, so here is the layout for today.